What is up, beautiful people? This is ThisisTinuola. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your soft faux locks in different, pretty easy, quick but gorgeous ways. So if you guys are interested in how to style this hair, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Welcome back. In my previous video, I showed you guys how I made this hair, and in today's video I'm going to be focusing on how to style this hair. So if you guys haven't seen my tutorial on how to make a faux locks, then you guys can definitely check it out. I'm going to be putting the link right above here and at the end of the video, and also in the description box, so it's easy for you guys to click and find the video. This hair is from Living Hair, and I'm going to put their link down below. I got it from Amazon. Pretty quick. If you have Amazon Prime, you're literally going to get it like the second day. Moving on, guys, let's get started on different hairstyles. Alright guys, the first style will be depending on the parts you want. If you want a center part like this is a way to style the hair. This is a free way to style the hair. This is a free way to style the hair, just leaving it like that, letting it move around in a center part, or if you want to do a side part. Now this hair isn't cornrowed, so you can definitely style it anyhow you want, part it in different places you want. It's going to still look natural and gorgeous.
Cause I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. Yeah, got me thinking about you, and I'm thinking about all the things that we used to do. Thoughts are coming in a wave, so I'll say it to your face. Better only tell the truth. Yeah, I'm trusting you. Every time you come around, make me think you my dude. Think I know you either way. Yeah, I know you want me stay. Yeah, so are you down to ride with a bitch like me? Will you come around with a bitch like me? Told you don't play around with a bitch like me, cause I've been around and you've been around. Cause I'ma keep it right for you, baby. I'ma do whatever that you say, yeah. Just don't fuck up my swagger that I have, yeah. Cause I've been around and you've been around, yeah. Cause I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. You ask me how it's going. You act like you don't know it. You stalk me on the low key, I like it. You showing up, you showing. Can't say it, don't get lonely. Boys that come and go, babe. I'm always on the go, baby. No way to control me. Are you down to ride with a bitch like me? Will you come around with a bitch like me? Told you don't play around with a bitch like me, cause I've been around and you've been around, yeah. Cause I'ma keep it right for you, baby. I'ma do whatever that you say, yeah. Just don't fuck up my swagger that I have, yeah. Cause I've been around and you've been around. Cause I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. I'm not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I send me out cause we're so cool. Yeah, we're so cool. Yeah, we're so. It's been a good day, now it's time for us to celebrate. Let's hit the town, get ready now. I'll roll you one on the way. The night is young, down goes the sun. Now it's time to have some fun. Let's get high.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. He's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you there. Pull up. Man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. He's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Pull up. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. That thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's Badman, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay.
Alright, beautiful people, that is it for today's video. Let me know which of these hairstyles you like to rock, and if you guys want to see more hairstyle from me, please let me know in the comment box below. There are so many styles, beautiful styles that you can do with FAUX locks, especially a soft FAUX locks like this. So let me know, guys, what you think about these hairstyles. If you'd like to see more from me, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that post notification bell because I release videos every single week and you don't want to miss out on it. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video or in my other videos. Check them out.
So I say it.